Good morning, friends. Welcome to week 21 of school and a short week for you. No school Thursday and Friday this week, which is kind of nice for you. So we are finishing up the blue and the gray on Monday and finishing our slides 20 through 25. So we will go over those on Google Meet on Monday. So if you want to look at that, make sure you join us to make sure yours are kind of right and on the right track. Tuesday, we're going to look at slides 28 and 29 in your Civil War digital notebooks. So we'll be looking a little bit at some historical figures in the movie and who they specifically are. So a little bit there. And then we'll also look at some of the border states that still allowed slavery. Okay. Wednesday, we're going to complete slide 30 in our digital notebooks. And that looks specifically at technology and different types of war technology and ultimately some of the reasons that the North was able to win based on some of that technology. So I will go over those all with you on Google Meet each day. So it's super important that you join us for that. If you have questions, you can email me, and there will be resources below for certain things for slides 28 and 29 and for slides 30. But I will see you at our Google Meet.